and welcome back to another edition of What's New at SuperOps. We're off to a great start in the new year, and January has brought some exciting features and improvements to the platform. Let's dive in and explore all the new developments. Maintenance mode allows you to temporarily disable alerts, scripts, and patches for a device undergoing maintenance like updates, repairs, testing, etc. This prevents false alerts and ensures scheduled tasks don't interrupt the maintenance process. You can configure recurring maintenance schedules via policy or activate maintenance mode manually as needed. The value in this feature lies in its ability to streamline and simplify device maintenance while minimizing disruptions and potential issues. SuperOps' new network discovery feature allows you to scan client networks and identify connected workstations, servers, and network devices. You can then block unauthorized devices and easily onboard approved ones for monitoring by installing the SuperOps agent in bulk in just a single click. Scheduled scans ensure ongoing network security. In addition to network devices, SuperOps now also supports server and workstation discovery via WMI and SSH. SuperOps now integrates with Google Calendar, allowing users to manage events in one place. This eliminates the need to switch between applications and provides a unified view of team availability. The two-way synchronization ensures that changes made in either platform are reflected in the other. We've expanded our security capabilities with 3 new integrations, and we're not stopping there. You can now enhance your endpoint cybersecurity with Sophos and Exium and ensure your cloud data is safe and sound with Dropsuite's backup solution. Check out our marketplace page to know more. We have integrated with Bitdefender for our new IT platform that will help securely manage and automate your endpoint protection. With Bitdefender, you can streamline security operations, improve efficiency, and reduce the number of security vendors and costs. The community keynote at Super Summit Virtual 24 brought together 16 MSP experts delivering top insights and strategies. We've compiled the key takeaways in an ebook, The Ultimate MSP Playbook, a no-nonsense guide packed with insights from MSP experts, including Rex Frank, Paul Green, Richard Tubb, Juan Fernandez, Ian Luckett, and others who've been there and done that. This is definitely a must-have guide for MSPs in 2025. Click on the link in the description below to grab your copy. The MSP world is quickly changing with rising demands for cybersecurity, cloud solutions, and hybrid work support. At SuperOps, we know that staying ahead is all about not just keeping up, but thriving. That's why we've created the first of its kind interactive MSP Growth Report designed to help MSPs assess your MSP's growth potential for 2025, compare your performance against industry peers, and discover actionable insights to unlock sustainable growth. Find the link for the report in the description below. That's it for this edition of all the new updates from our side. You can also take a look at all the small tweaks and improvements we've made to the platform in the product roadmap page. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to sign up for a free trial with SuperOps. Until next time.